Mexico City, a vibrant metropolis brimming with rich history, sprawling urban landscapes, and a culinary scene that captures the very essence of Mexican heritage, invites you on a journey that transcends time. With ancient ruins whispering tales of Aztec civilization nestled amidst striking colonial architecture and modern-day districts pulsating with life, Mexico City presents an exhilarating blend of past and present. If you're ready to delve into this cultural colossus and uncover its myriad wonders, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more inspiring travel adventures. Choosing your nest in this sprawling city might seem daunting, but each neighborhood boasts its own charm. Opt for the historic heart of Centro Histórico to be within walking distance of iconic landmarks, venture into the chic streets of Polanco for luxury stays, or embrace the bohemian vibe of La Condesa and Roma with their trendy eateries and art scenes. And as you traverse this grand city, the Metro and Metrobus offer convenient ways to explore, while taxis and rideshare services provide comfort and flexibility for your urban expedition. Day 1. Embrace the morning light with a traditional Mexican breakfast of chilaquiles or huevos rancheros, energizing you for the adventure ahead, coupled with a cup of aromatic Mexican coffee. Zócalo and the Templo Mayor. Your odyssey begins at the Zócalo, the grand main square and the beating heart of Mexico City. Surrounded by magnificent historic buildings, including the imposing Metropolitan Cathedral and the National Palace with its Diego Rivera murals, the Zócalo is steeped in history. A stone's throw away, the ancient ruins of Templo Mayor offer a glimpse into Aztec life before the Spanish conquest. An on-site museum showcases artifacts unearthed from this significant archaeological site, revealing stories of an empire that once thrived here. Palacio de Bellas Artes and Alameda Central. From the remnants of Aztec civilization, journey to the Palacio de Bellas Artes, an architectural marvel that houses stunning murals by famous Mexican artists like Diego Rivera and David Alfaro Siqueiros. This palace of fine arts hosts world-class opera, music, and dance performances. Stroll through the adjoining Alameda Central, a historic park that provides a lush respite from the urban hustle, framed by manicured gardens and classical statues. As dusk approaches, let the culinary delights of Mexico City draw you into its vibrant dining scene. Indulge in traditional Mexican cuisine at a local cantina in the historic center, where dishes like mole poblano and tacos al pastor promise a festival of flavors. Day 2. Day 2 beckons with the promise of art, culture, and natural beauty. Start with a hearty breakfast of tamal and atole, gearing up for another day of exploration. Frida Kahlo Museum in Coyoacán. Venture into the charming neighborhood of Coyoacán to visit La Casa Azul, the iconic home-turned museum of Frida Kahlo. Wander through rooms filled with personal artifacts and art that offer insight into the life of this remarkable artist. Afterwards, meander through Coyoacán's cobblestone streets, lined with colorful houses, lively markets, and quaint cafes, embodying the spirit of old Mexico City. Xochimilco. In the afternoon, experience a unique slice of Mexican heritage at Xochimilco. Board a brightly painted trajinera, a flat-bottomed boat, and glide through the ancient canal system lined with floating gardens. Mariachi bands and vendors offering traditional foods create a festive atmosphere as you float along these Aztec-engineered waterways, offering a living portrait of Mexico City's rich tapestry of history. Chapultepec Park. Conclude your day with a leisurely stroll in Chapultepec Park, one of the largest city parks in the Western Hemisphere. Home to the Chapultepec Castle, several museums including the world-renowned National Museum of Anthropology, and tranquil pathways amidst verdant groves, it's a sanctuary within the city. The museum provides a profound understanding of Mexico's pre-colonial civilizations through its extensive collection of artifacts. Before we close our chapter on Mexico City, let's end on a gastronomic high note. Delight your palate with these essential dishes to complete your Mexican food journey. Pozole. This hearty soup with hominy, meat, typically pork, and garnished with lettuce, radish, onion, lime, and chili, offers comfort in every spoonful. Enchiladas. Corn tortillas rolled around a filling, covered in chili sauce, and often adorned with cheese, sour cream, and onions. Enchiladas are a testament to Mexico's culinary creativity. Tamales. A traditional Mesoamerican dish made of masa or dough, which is steamed in a corn husk or banana leaf and can be filled with meats, cheeses, fruits, vegetables, or chilies.
Churros. For something sweet, these fried dough pastries coated in sugar and cinnamon serve as the perfect snack or dessert, especially when dipped in hot chocolate.
In just 48 hours, Mexico City reveals itself as a city where every corner tells a story, every meal is an occasion, and every sunset marks the promise of another day's adventure. From its ancient heart to its modern spirit, this cultural capital leaves an indelible mark on all who wander its vibrant streets. As you depart, remember that Mexico City isn't just a destination. It's an experience woven into the fabric of time, inviting you back to discover even more.